how to watch the Minecraft movie. Alright, so let's begin with the video. As you can see, the Minecraft movie premiered on April 4th, 2025. So as of right now, it's currently April 23rd, which means the movie is now out in cinemas. Currently, the only way to watch the film is by attending a theatrical screening. There were advanced screenings prior to the official release date, but those events have already taken place. For example, one of the screenings occurred on Sunday, March 30th at 11 a.m. at the Showcase Cinema Deluxe at Patriot Place. Since it's already April 23rd now, the Minecraft movie is officially available in theaters. For those interested in watching the movie from home, Warner Bros. Plans to make it available for digital purchase or rental potentially by late May 2025. Additionally, the film is expected to stream on Max, formerly HBO Max, approximately 3 to 4 months after its theatrical release, which would be around July 2025. Alternatively, you can also find this film on Fandango. Head over to the website and look for the movie to check local availability or future streaming updates. So that's basically how you can watch the Minecraft movie. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.